People say reading others is hard, but it's really not. You just need to know where to look. Everyone focuses on faces, frowning, smiling, blinking, but that's the wrong place to look for the truth. Instead, watch the feet. They reveal what faces are trying to hide. Feet never lie. Nervous? Feet tap, shuffle, or fidget. They give away thoughts before words ever do. Relaxed? Feet point outwards, toes resting calmly. The body tells the story of ease and confidence. Excited or eager? Feet bounce, toes tap toward what they want. Action starts at the ground. Bored or uninterested? Feet point away, body leaning back, signaling disengagement without a single word. Tiny movements carry big clues about emotions, intentions, and even hidden feelings. In groups, ignore the faces, focus on the feet. They tell the story of who is nervous, who is confident, and who is just pretending. It's like reading a map instead of a novel. Patterns are simple once you know where to look. Observe carefully, interpret what the feet are saying, and act accordingly. That's all you need. Stop overthinking faces. Life and people are simpler than you think. Trust the small signs. Your brain will love this shortcut. It's efficient and clear, cutting through guesswork. Try it in meetings, cafes, or parks. Anywhere people move, feet give the answers. Watch the feet, simplify observation, notice patterns, win at reading people every single time.